And now, here we are with this topping off ceremony on phase one of a $60 million micro hospital. And we intend to grow, I'll say to the members of the City Council and Mayor Lamb, we will grow as fast as you need us to grow. And our Board of Trustees has supported that. In a few minutes, what we're going to do is raise the final beam of this multi-phase project, and we expect to open this building and start serving patients in February of 2019. And Walter, I'll just have to tell you, your team has done an amazing job. Let me share with you a few metrics about this job. You know, you've all built a house, right, individually, and you talk about how many square feet you're building and kind of the bonus room you're putting in and all of that. And they gave me some metrics that I just wanted to share with you. This 83,000 square foot building has 232 pilings in it. And if you took those pilings out and put them end to end like a Lincoln log set, for those of you who are old enough to even know what a Lincoln log set is, but if you would put them together, that would stretch about 1.5 miles. There are 450 tons of steel, which is half the amount of steel that's used in an ocean liner. There are 1,250 cubic yards of concrete, and that's enough to fill 1/6 of the harbor in Sydney, Australia, and 15,000 kegs of beer. Alan Kennedy told me that last metric. There are 14,700 feet of aluminum, and that's enough to cover 1/4 of a football field or 4 IMAX screens. And what you're looking at right now is 7 acres of land, and that's what's been cleared and logged and stripped, and that's equal to about 5.5 football fields. And there are also, this last metric, 1,000 feet of sanitary sewer pipe installed, and that goes 20 feet deep, which is as tall as the Empire State Building. So I thought I would mention that because of these guys that are behind me. Because when we walk in here, we're just going to walk into that lobby. But all the amazing infrastructure that's behind the curtain is what makes this building possible.
There's going to be tremendous benefits for this hospital coming here to our city, and that's part of the reason why the council and myself has worked so hard in trying to advocate and getting, you know, more and more medical coming out here. Is the city is growing, and instead of having to travel all the way into Savannah, we'll be able to go to this great facility here in Pooler, and we appreciate them bringing this facility here. And we're not going to maybe mention too much about it today, but I hope, and I think they plan to at some point, this is even going to continue to grow from this first phase even into more phases. And but we appreciate all of that.